In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Base44 web app into iOS app. So it's pretty simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to open your app, which you want to convert. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then once your app loads, click on the publish button in top right corner. So this is your available domain. So you can copy your domain and you need to publish your app. So click on publish. You can also copy your URL from here. So it's this one. So make sure to copy your URL. Then go to Google and search for convert web app to iOS. You can find many sites which can convert your site in iOS. So I'm going to choose this median.co. And from here you need to enter your URL. I'm going to paste it here, then click build your app. So this is my URL. You can name it. You can also choose organization, so me, and then click start building my apps. Now we can click on click to start app and it will load our app. So it's working. Now you can log into your web app and that's it. Now on the left side you can see permissions and many options, but what we need to do is click on build and download, and from here you can choose for what you want to build it. So you have this iOS IPA, then you have iOS source code, so you just need to click on build. I'm gonna click on build and this will start building source code for iOS. Now you can click download. And this is my source code of my app, iOS. So as you can see, to be able to download iOS IPA, you need to configure signing. So you need to click on this. And from here, you need to connect your Apple App Store. So click on Manage Connections. You need to fill your ID and key ID. So then you are going to be able to download. And also you are going to be able to publish it to Apple App Store. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.